up? What's good? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail. So first, I use this app called Photono, I think, and then I upload a regular image that's already a stock image for them. I change it to 1280, I think, on the top. Yeah, 1280 and 720 on the bottom, just to be the perfect thumbnail size. By the way, the app is free. So next, I'm going to make sure I like it, and then I press use. Then I add a photo from my already, gallery on my phone. And I pick something Christmassy that I saw on Pinterest. And now I'm going to make it to the perfect size that I need for a thumbnail. Sometimes they come out a little distorted, but I make sure I use other elements to make it look kind of like a distraction to the distortion. So right now I'm just playing with it. I really like this photo because it had the stars instead of like regular bulbs. I think it was really cute. I'm sorry, I have the hiccups. And I don't know, I was excited for Vlogmas, so I really wanted like that Christmas feel to it. And like the ideas of, I don't know, I'm a big fan of Disney, so I guess a dream is a wish your heart makes. So you wish it upon a star. So now I'm still adjusting it because I am very picky and take a long time for some reason to do this. I don't know. Tell me if you guys do the same thing, like you just keep going. Okay, so now I see that I gotta stop talking about that. So now I'm typing what I want on it, I guess, with Santa. Since it was one of the first episodes of Vlogmas, I wanted a Santa emoji. And I thought it looked really cute. So I'm making the size. No, I'm tilting it, and now I'm making the size bigger to the way I want it. I hope you guys like this like lava lamp kind of feel to the sides instead of those black sides, because I couldn't record it horizontally, or is it vertical? I don't know. I get them confused. Don't judge me. So now I'm writing Vlogmas episode 1. I guess I changed my mind because I think I put a hashtag or a number, pound symbol, whatever, the one you want to go with for whatever generation. And then now I'm scaling that and moving it around to see where I would like it. Oh god, I'm sorry, I'm tired. It's late right now. But I have to get this video up by the end of the night. Now I'm taking one of the cutout photos that I already erased on an app called Erase. And it's that one. And I'm going to put it like wherever I feel like it fits best, I guess. And wherever I like it. Again, I'm very picky with my thumbnails for the starting. I can't wait to see when I start making some real professional ones. But I think for now, my little thumbnails are kind of cute, grabs your attention quick. So I think I'm pretty much done. So now I go on to save image, and it saves it. And then I did it again because sometimes my phone glitches. So I saved it twice. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.